Llama 3 is a game changer in generative AI. It is open source LLM model. Llama 3 comes in two versions, 8B and 70B. Today, using Llama, we will cover how to chat with Llama 3 locally. To show this, we will build a simple chatbot app with Streamlit. Let us discuss the topic while following to build the app. First, we will set up and create the virtual environment and install all the required library. Then we will initialize Llama 3 with Llama, and at the last, we will build the app using Streamlit. We are going to use the VS Code. Now let's create a virtual environment. After that, we are going to activate this environment. Next step, create requirement.txt. Write the libraries we will use here. Now install the libraries using pip install or requirement.txt. To write the code, let's create new file and name it app.py. So far, we have created the virtual environment and installed the libraries. Let's go ahead and initialize Llama 3 with Llama. Llama allows you to run open source LLMs such as Llama and Mistral locally. For that, download Llama, go on the browser, type Llama. Go their official website and click on the download button. You can download Llama based on the operating system. For the model you want to use, click on the models. We are using Llama 3 and we are click on Llama 3. As you can see, variety of model available. In this video we will use 8B parameter model. So for that, go to the terminal, clean this. Now write this command for installing Llama through Llama. Let's go ahead and initialize our local model with LongChain. To do this, we are going to use the Llama class from LongChain. Let import the class. From LongChain community LLMs, import Llama. Next, initialize the object of this class. LLM equals Llama, model equals Llama 3. It's capital O. Let's go ahead and generate a text using this model. To do this, we will use the invoke method. Print llm.invoke. Tell me a joke. To verify this program, we will run this program. Great, the model is working very well. Let's go ahead and build an app using Streamlit. So, import Streamlit as ST. Now, give the title to our app. ST title: Chatbot using Llama 3. Let's get the input from the user. While generating the text, we want to display a message. With ST Spinner, generating response. To display the response, let's use the write method. ST write. Awesome, our app is ready to use. Go to the terminal and type Streamlit run app.py. The app will open in browser. Let's typrh, who are you? If you want, you can see the output of the LLM token using stramming. Just change the write method to write stream and replace the invoke method with stream method. To test the app, go to the app and click on Rerun. Now, let's create a response by clicking on Generate. The response is writing with the stramming. You can ask any question you want. So we will ask a different question. Our app is working very well. In this video, we covered how to build a chatbot app with Llama 3 locally. To create this app, we used Llama and Streamlit.